Question: under FHA and HUD guidelines, how should the appraiser handle a swimming pool? Do the minimum property requirements apply to swimming pools? How should they be handled in winter when they are covered or winterized? Answer: unfortunately, FHA has provided little guidance in this regard. Appendix D of Handbook 4150.2 does state that above-ground pools are considered personal property and are not to be included in the value. Since this is the way most appraisers handle above-ground pools anyway, this really isn't news. On the other hand, in-ground pools are part of the real property and should be included in the value. The handbook does not provide any additional guidance concerning minimum property requirements or minimum property standards with regards to pools. If there is a health and safety hazard related to the pool, then the appraiser needs to mention this in the report. For example, an in-ground pool without a fenced enclosure would likely be considered a safety hazard, and the required repair would be to install a fenced enclosure. However, the handbook does not state this specifically and leaves the decision up to the appraiser, though most appraisers and lenders would probably agree that this is a safety hazard because an unattended child could fall into the pool and drown. On a side note, it is not permissible to get an FHA 203K loan to construct a pool or spa because these are considered to be luxury items. Other than these rather cryptic mentions in Handbook 4150.2 and Appendix D, there is no real guidance provided by FHA on in-ground pools, nor are there instructions on what to do when it is wintertime and the pool is covered and cannot be inspected. This is probably one of those times when it may be best to just state the facts and let the lender decide how to handle it.